Good morning students. Lesson 2 Interior of the Earth. Now we will discuss topic rocks and minerals. Dear students, there are three major types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. When molten material that is inside our earth, it is called magma or lava. When it cools, it becomes solid, and rocks made up from cooling of lava are called igneous rocks. They are also called primary rocks, and there are two types of igneous rocks: intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. When lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. And when it solidifies on crust of the earth, it is called extrusive igneous rocks. Basalt is an example of extrusive igneous rocks, and the Deccan Plateau, which is southern part of India, is formed by basalt rocks. Sometimes this molten magma cools down deep inside the earth. So when magma cools inside the earth, it is called intrusive igneous rocks. And example of intrusive igneous rock is granite. When these rocks rolls down, they break up by hitting each other. These are fragmented rocks, and fragments of rocks, small particles of rocks, are called sediments. And these sediments are transported and deposited by wind and water, and these loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form sedimentary rocks. Sandstone is example of sedimentary rocks. Sometimes these igneous and sedimentary rocks change their color and structure due to heat and pressure. This changed form of igneous and sedimentary rocks is called metamorphic rocks. So these are three types of rocks. Rocks are very useful to us. Rocks are used for making roads, houses and buildings. We use stones to play some games like you play 7 stone or pittu, stapu, है ना? Use gittis to play games. And it is also used in construction work of buildings and houses, etc. When these rocks transform from one type of rock to another type of rock, it is called rock cycle. As it is visible in diagram, magma cools down, forms igneous rocks. Igneous rocks breaks in sediments. Sediments deposited on another place, they form sedimentary rocks, and when it changes its color and hardness, it transforms into metamorphic rocks. So that is called rock cycle. So mainly primary rocks are igneous. When it breaks down, form sediments, and sediments form sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks change their color and hardness and transforms into metamorphic rocks. Rocks contain different minerals. So what are minerals? Minerals are naturally occurring substances, and each mineral has its definite properties, definite chemical compositions. Minerals are very useful to us. Some minerals are used as fuels. For example, coal, natural gas and petroleum are used as fuels. Other minerals like iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, platinum, etc. They are used in making different things. Some minerals are also used in medicines, in fertilizers, etc. So minerals are also very useful to us.